my custom screen, I have the boost gauge right there. Boost. Okay, let's put the window down just for effect. Of course, there's going to be the longest red light of my life right now. Come on. Okay, whatever. I have the Meisterschaft catless non-resonated mid-pipe. The Meisterschaft rear section muffler, so I have the full 2 cat removed cat back exhaust. And I just installed the Go Fast Bits blowoff valve. Currently at about 2/3 vent to atmosphere and 1/3 recirculated. I'm about 8 quarter turns in from the loosest setting for the blowoff valve spring tension. And yeah, that's about it. That's a low boost. It's a high boost. Absolutely no lag in the throttle response. I get smooth idle, just as smooth as stock. Special thanks to Nick Nick from Toronto, and everyone at Go Fast Bits who've emailed me back. It really helped me out. Although the install was a little hard because of the torque on the stock bolts. Yep, that's about it. Peace out.